Oh, I'd absolutely recommend RD. It's just it's a dream company compared with what we had previously. So yeah, no, they're amazing. My name is Hamish Benny, and from the Hakataramea Valley, and our property name is Belfield. It's 800 hectares. We have 100 hectares of crop, 3,000 ewes, 200 fattening cattle, and our 600 replacement hoggets. And yeah, we do a lot of haymaking and silage and things like that. Well, just the service is unbelievable from the previous suppliers, and no, that's really good. I just love the company and what they do for the community, and the sponsorship and stuff. They put it back into the community. They're amazing. No, he's really good, Brian. Absolutely no problem. If you have an issue with a pump or something, he's down in no time, and things are fixed. Just no hassles with RD. They're amazing. Absolutely, and it's not just one occasion, but it's just the fact that we know there's no stress now, and our tanks are always full. And when it's coming into winter like it is now, we've gone on to winter diesel, and there's just no issues. They're brilliant, yeah.